Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking the right mask for your need and skin type, gel for cooling, heated for relief. Once you have it, wash your hands and gently remove makeup so nothing transfers to the eye area. Test the temperature on your wrist. If it's heated, wait 30-60 seconds to reach a safe warmth. Place the mask over closed eyes and adjust straps so it rests comfortably. This prevents leaks, irritation, and ensures even coverage, so your first minutes matter. Once the mask is on, center it so it covers eyelids without pressing on the eyeballs. You want soothing contact, not force. Make sure straps sit behind the head comfortably and adjust the fit so the mask stays put when you move. Set a timer for 10-20 minutes, shorter for cooling, longer for gentle heat, because consistent duration controls therapeutic effect. Close your eyes, breathe slowly, and relax in a dim place. This helps muscles release and increases blood flow. When your session ends, remove the mask gently and pat the skin dry. Apply a light moisturizer if your skin feels tight. Clean the mask according to the manufacturer's directions. Wipe with a damp cloth or rinse, then air dry completely to prevent mildew. If you feel any burning, redness, or persistent discomfort, stop using it immediately. Try a wrist test for temperature next time, and if irritation continues, consult a dermatologist or eye care professional for guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.